Are you facing any challenges in life, financial problems, debts, and relationship problems? Yeah, anything, right? I was faced 5 years before. There's a lot of problems. I had a debt. I have a lot of problems in my relationship, and as well as I had low salary. I worked for the low salary. That time my financial situation was very bad, and I faced a lot of challenges every day, lot of problems every day. And the time saw Stanley Sir's video in YouTube, and next day I booked a call and spoke to him. What happened 4 years before, 4 to 5 years before. And the time I have taken the session from him, paid session. That session, he totally reprogrammed my mind. He changed all the thoughts which I believed on me. Those are limited thoughts. He removed all the limited thoughts. Now my thoughts are boomed. Now in my mind, I feel like I'm a achiever, I'm a conqueror. Like that, I achieved many things in my life in the past 4 years. Now my financial situation came high. Everything was happened because of Stanley Sir. After that, after the session, he gave a track. I listened to the track every day. Few of my bad habits also gone. Everything. Now have a good successful life. I'm a trainer. Now I'm a digital marketing agency owner, and as well as I'm a performance marketing trainer. I trained more than 300 students in last 1 year. How I achieved? It's all happened by the session which I taken with Stanley Sir. Thank you, Stanley Sir. Guys, who are all watching this video, if you really want to change your life, if you really want to come out of your financial problems, debts, or any other all type of problems, including health problems, strongly suggest Stanley Sir. Let's talk to him. He will guide you.